Wait, what? The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. But what if it came back and smashed into us? The explosion would be so powerful it would make every nuclear bomb ever look like a firecracker. You won't believe what happens next. I'm breaking down what actually happens if the moon collides with Earth. We're talking tsunamis that make the ocean angry, earthquakes that would reshape the planet, and something so wild you might think I'm making it up. Stick around, fact number 3 will completely break your brain. Here's the first crazy part, the moon is massive. Imagine the biggest thing you've ever seen. Now imagine something 2,150 miles wide. That's our moon. If it crashed down, the energy released would be like 10 billion nuclear bombs exploding at the same time. All at once. Whoa! Here's where it gets insane, those tsunamis I mentioned. Picture a wall of water taller than a skyscraper. Like, imagine stacking 30 school buses vertically. That's how tall the tsunami waves would be when they hit land. Every continent would be flooded in minutes. Goodbye, beaches. Wait, what? The whole planet would shake like it's inside a Minecraft world during an earthquake. Every building, every mountain, everything would collapse. Scientists say the earthquakes would be so powerful they'd literally reshape Earth's surface. New mountains would form. Oceans would change shape. Here's the craziest part, the impact would throw so much dust and rock into the atmosphere that it would block out the sun for months. Imagine if it was always nighttime. It would get so cold, plants would die, and the food chain would completely break. But here's the plot twist. We would probably not survive. But wait, scientists think a smaller moon crash would just vaporize in Earth's atmosphere. A smaller moon? It would burn up before hitting us. So Earth has a secret shield made of air. How cool is that? So here's the biggest takeaway, our moon is like Earth's giant guardian. It's so far away it's safe. But if it did crash, game over. Literally everything would change forever. Now I want to hear from you. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment down below. And subscribe because we're answering more impossible, what if questions next week.